So hey guys, so today I'm gonna react to a new Melanie music video, and it's called Alphabet Boy, and I'm so excited. Even though some people said it's not like as amazing as her last ones were, but I'm still so excited. I couldn't make the video yesterday, so I'm filming it today, and I'm so excited because I haven't watched it yet. So this is gonna be my first reaction to it, and yeah, I am really excited. Oh my god.
You build me up like building blocks just so you can break me down. You can crush my candy cane, but you'll never catch me cry. If you take
my god.
diploma and I bet you don't be surprised. I know my ABCs, yet you keep teaching me. I say fuck your degree, alphabet boy. You kid now, watch me get big now. Spell my name on the fridge now. With all your alphabet toys. You want the spelling bee now, but are you smarter than me now? You're the prince of the playground, little alphabet boy.
She's so pretty, you guys. She's so pretty.
You're smarter than me with all your bad poetry. Fuck all your ABCs, alphabet boy. I'm not a little kid now. Watch me get big now. Spell my name on the fridge now. With all your alphabet toys. I'm not a little kid now.
Yay! Oh my god, I'm actually like surprised by it because it's not like it's like not as special, or like I don't know, like you know what I mean. It's not as like, I guess it's not as like good as the other ones, but it's amazing, you know. It's really amazing. I love it so much, even though it's kind of like not as, she didn't like put as much work on it as like the other ones, but she looks amazing in it, so you know, she looks so pretty. So yeah, I like the video. To be honest, I just enjoy listening to the song, and her face and her outfit is just like a, yeah. So I don't know, like, tell me what you think about the video in the comments, because I'm really curious what other people think. In general, I really liked it. I don't know, but it's just my opinion on it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and so please give a like to me and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!